Hello everyone, Jay here. I'm at the beach. I have the TreasurePro. We're set to beach mode, sensitivity of 5. Let's get all the goodies. Where'd that signal go? Alright, I have an iron signal. Very jumpy. Nickel to 25 to 90. Gotta be a bottle cap. Let's get it. 2.5 inches. 3 inches right here. Alright. Shake, shake, shake. Blue moon into the pouch. Pretty big spread for a VDI. Went from 9 to 90. Alright, I have a high tone 88 to 93. Let's get it. 5 inches, 4 inches. That's a small target. So about 3.5 inches right there. Shake, shake, shake. Alright. One hair clip. This one's a crusty one with stars. Into the pouch. I have a target with no VDI. Let's get it. 0.6. It's in the iron. 4 inches. Right here. Foil. Into the pouch. Surface find. What is that? Smirnoff? Yep. Into the pouch. I have a signal. No VDI. Let's get it. Looks like it's gonna be iron. Two or 3 inches there. Foil. Chewing gum ball. Into the pouch. A foil signal. 8.9. Let's get it. Two and a half inches right here. Shake, shake, shake. I'm right in the towel line, so it's kind of weird. There's people around me. Alright, it is a piece of foil. Happy drink. Into the pouch. I have a quarter signal. Let's get it. 80 to 83. 1.5 inches. Here's something rattling around in there. There it is. 1/4 into the pouch. I have a foil signal. 0.7. Alright, let's get this chewing gum wrapper. Four inches. 3 inches right there. Shake, shake, shake. know what it is, but it's got some foam on it. Into the pouch. I have a nickel signal, solid 20. Let's get it. 5 inches. About 5.5 inches. 5 inches right here. Shake, shake, shake. Oh! Oh! No way. No way. I got a chain. There's markings on it, man. I cannot see it. I think it says 925. Not 100%, but into my pocket. Look at that thing. Quarter signal, solid 83. 2 inches. 2 inches. Shake, shake, shake. One brown quarter into the pouch. Welcome to the wrap up. I had another great day at the beach. Yesterday was the air show. The Blue Angels were there. There was a great turnout. I did toss out all the trash, the foil bits and stuff like that. I do have the pink hair clip with the purple stars, a couple bottle caps, 2 quarters, and this silver chain. It is stamped 925 and it's very tarnished. I wonder if there's anything I can do for that tarnish. Yes, I know people probably gonna yell at me and be mad at me, but it's just a silver chain. I didn't have it before I went metal detecting. I definitely know I could probably polish it up just using a baking powder or baking soda paste, and it'll shine right up. But I have a tumbler. Let's see what it does. Alright, the steel pins are in there. Let's go put some dish soap. Woo! Just a couple drops. Let's go put some water in there. A little dab will do ya. And people that are much smarter than me said, take your finger in there and then rub it around the lip, the edge, to help take the cover off. Alright. In goes the tarnished 925. Here we go. Alright, yes, I know you guys are gonna tell me about it. Yes, I know I'm gonna get a lot of grief for doing this, but I want to see what happens. I didn't have that necklace before. It's just a necklace. Alright. What do you say? An hour? Here we go. About 30 minutes. Let's check it out. bit. Alright. Squeeze the drum. Squeeze, there we go. It's not that much in bubbles, but let's see if we can just grab, there we are. Oh wow. That, you can't tell the difference, but wow, it looks silver now. We'll have to do before and after pictures. Worked like a champ.